Philippe Bourdeaux, the Executive Senior Vice President, Africa and Middle East, Veolia. Thank you for speaking with the OGN Energy Magazine. If you could briefly tell us what is Veolia and its work in the region.
Veolia is a French company, 172 years old, so it's an old lady but very agile. We have been present in the Middle East for more than 50 years now. First, we started operation. We started with a desalination plant, thermal desalination plant, and today we operate in three fields of activity: water management, waste management, and energy efficiency. Water management means all the water cycle, from desalination, drinking water, network, sewage system, wastewater treatment plant, reused water, treated reused water. Waste management is for domestic waste, landfill, but also recovery and also waste to energy facilities, but also for industrial and hazardous waste, such as radioactive materials or oil and gas or petrochemical hazardous waste. In terms of energy efficiency, we operate more than 12 airports in the region, including Dubai Airport, Abu Dhabi, Dammam or Riyadh Airport, and we try to minimize and optimize the energy consumption of all the building and all of the assets.
Now, we understand that the water-energy nexus is critical in the Gulf, and considering that this is a water-stressed region, how does Veolia design and manage integrated systems that reduce energy intensity in desalination and wastewater treatment?
Within the last 10 years, in desalination plant, we've managed to divide by three the consumption. We divided by three the consumption of electricity to produce 1 cubic meter of desalinated water. Why? How? Through our patents, through R&D, and through our global worldwide footprint. So today, 18% of the total installed capacity in the world of desal water is done and operated by Veolia. In the GCC, it's much more.
Can you tell us how Veolia supports Bahrain's and the region's ecological transformation goals?
In Bahrain, for instance, we operate the Bahrain Bay Utility District Cooling. Here, in just close to our location. It's a long-term contract, 75 years contract, and we operated this district cooling with treated wastewater. It means that we don't need to desalinate new fresh water in order to operate this plant, but we reuse, we give a second life to the wastewater, we treat it, and then we inject it in the district cooling system.
How can Veolia's circular economy and resource recovery models help de-risk and optimize those emerging value chains?
Our target is to maximize the production of local decarbonized energy. I will give you two examples. When you produce wastewater, when you treat your wastewater, you produce sludge. And with the sludge, you can digest the sludge and produce biomethane. And the CH4, you send it into a turbine and you produce electricity. This is totally decarbonized and green electricity. The same for the waste, your domestic waste. When you put it into a landfill or if you incinerate it, the bio-waste, they will produce also CH4, which is biomethane. And with this methane, you can produce also green decarbonized electricity. So this is something we do in the region. We do it in Sharjah in the UAE. We do it in Jubail in KSA. We do it in Abu Dhabi. We do it in several countries, and we do it especially also everywhere in the world. Close to here in Jubail in KSA, we incinerate with high temperature oil and gas and petrochemical waste in order to produce steam, green steam, and also energy and electricity that we sell to the grid, to the national grid.
Considering your experience in the region, how would you compare it with other regions in terms of adopting new technology?
Well, what is amazing in the GCC region compared to other parts of the world is that the need of those kind of environmental services is increasing because you have huge economic growth, because your cities, you have city expansion, the growth of the population in the city is huge also, so you need circularity. You need more water, but the more water you consume, the more treated water you can reuse also. This is circular economy. The more waste you consume, the more waste you produce, and then you can produce more electricity through biowaste and biomethane. So this is something virtuous, which you cannot see everywhere in the world. So this is important for you. Well,